In this video, I'll be showing you how you add Power Pivot to the tabs here or the ribbon here. Very simple and easy if you want to work with it. So what you are going to do is you come on this tabs here and you right click here and you move to customize ribbon. Good. And then here we move to add-ins, and on here we move to manage, and here we tap on the here to expand it, and then we move to com add-ins, and then we tap on the go. Good. And you can see Power Pivot here. Microsoft Power Pivot is the last option. Check that. After checking that, you tap on OK. It should appear here. Now you have Power Pivot appearing at the tabs here. Good. Very simple. So that's it on how you add Microsoft Power Pivot on your tabs. You can remove that by right clicking again. And then you come to add-ins, and then you same procedure, check here, com add-ins, you go there, you uncheck it, okay, and it should vanish. And so that's it on how you add and remove Power Pivot on Microsoft Excel tabs or ribbon. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.